Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. I still remember my humble self, Chukwuka Obeleagu, and in today's video, I want to share with you guys the latest update. Many of us are waiting anxiously. I myself especially, because I know there are a lot of people who are lined up who want to, swap their TBC for TST. Okay, and we already have three things in place that will enable them do so. Okay, but the issue is the wallet is still under maintenance. Okay, and over the weekend nothing was done and no update was given. So let me show you guys the last update that was given on November 6th. Okay, so as you guys are patiently waiting, just make sure you get your account ready. Make sure you get your TST Bank account ready. Okay, once your TST Bank account is ready, all you have to do is just watch out for when the maintenance will be over. So on the 4th, they said online testing continues. Our experts, okay, let me zoom this in so that you guys will see it. This is November 4th. So our experts are checking in periodically to make sure we are on track. We know it's slow going, but making progress on identifying issues and concerns. Then on November 6th, which happens to be a Friday, we have found new challenges to resolve. The great news is we are getting a patch that will upgrade the wallet significantly. Please continue to stand by. So basically, what they're saying is, hey, we have a situation on ground. We did all offline testing and we found new problems and we're working on them. Okay, so that's the summary of it. So for those of you guys who are interested in TBC009 Swap, which is absolutely free, okay, and we also have the TBC shopping token app. So for those of you guys who don't want to withdraw your TST to your external wallet, you want to use it to access the services available within the TST ecosystem, you can download the TBC shopping token app. Um, so for those of you guys also chatting the customer support on TST Bank, please take note, okay? TST Bank is not responsible for any of the maintenance issue that is going on with the Billion coin. It does not mean that they are part of the shareholders. It does not mean that they are part of anything in terms of any technical development with the Billion coin. Okay? TST Bank is purely there to enable you facilitate between TBC to TST swap. That's it. Okay? We're not even working in conjunction with how would I put it this way? We're not even working in conjunction with the TBC admin. Okay, this is a personal decision by myself, who happens to be the creator of TST and the CEO of TST Bank. Okay, so this is my decision given the popular demand that I've been receiving. Okay, so I finally found a way to enable people to be able to swap their TBC for TST, which is a market-based cryptocurrency that gives them access to activities and also access to the market. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I just want to give you guys this quick update about what's going on, and make sure you get the Billion coin app. If you haven't got it, make sure you go and get it. Very, very key, so that you'll be up to date with what's happening within within TBC and also within the TBC TST swap. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.